Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how you can lose weight naturally with plant-based foods. If you've been struggling with restrictive diets or just want to embrace a healthier lifestyle, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by exploring why plant-based foods are so effective for weight loss. The beauty of plant-based eating is that it's not about depriving yourself or counting every calorie. Instead, it's about nourishing your body with foods that are both satisfying and packed with nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are naturally low in calories but high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and reduces those pesky cravings. Now, let's address a common issue with traditional diets, the feeling of deprivation. Many weight loss methods leave us feeling hungry and unsatisfied. But with plant-based foods, you get to enjoy hearty, delicious meals like lentil soups, quinoa salads, and veggie stir-fries that keep you full and energized. The key is to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support your metabolism and overall health. Here's where it gets exciting. Plant-based foods offer numerous health benefits beyond just weight loss. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve digestion, boost your immune system, and increase your energy levels. Plus, they're often more hydrating and less processed than many other foods, which supports overall wellness and helps with weight management. So, how can you get started? Begin by incorporating plant-based meals into your daily routine. Start with a refreshing smoothie for breakfast, packed with fruits, leafy greens, and a scoop of plant-based protein. For lunch and dinner, try a colorful salad, a wholesome grain bowl, or a savory veggie stir-fry. Don't forget snacks. Fresh fruit, nuts, and veggie sticks are great choices. Here's the best part, you don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Gradually introducing more plant-based foods into your meals can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. And for even more tips and delicious recipes to help you lose weight naturally, check out the link in the description below. It's packed with resources to support your plant-based journey. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your own plant-based eating tips and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear how plant-based foods are making a difference in your life. See you in the next video, and here's to your journey towards a healthier, happier you.